Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well and having a great week. We just got in a 2025 Scout 215 XSF. This is in the crystal blue full hull color. Looks really sharp. Have the upgraded 200 Mercury in black, and then we added a 8-foot power pole in white. Power pole is great for all your sandbars, for your shallow creeks, for fishing. Creates a lot easier boating when you're able to push that button and have a temporary anchor on back. Notice on the back we have sea deck throughout, easy swim platform and ladder, and then a walk-through transom door to get you back on. It has a block-off door as well. Rod holders along the side. We upgraded this boat with the freshwater shower, so you have a connect plug in, be able to hose everybody off easy on the boat. Live well on the port side transom, and then a really nice aft bench seat back here. Good deep seating, can fit 2 or 3 depending on sizes on the back there. Very comfortable underway. Bolster cushions throughout all the sides and the back of the boat, so great for fishing, for reaching off and grabbing dock lines, anything else on the boat. This is upgraded with the hard top. We also added the rocket launchers, so you have 8 rocket launchers right here ready to go, and then 4 on the back transom, so plenty of great ability for fishing offshore or back in the creeks in this boat. 15.75 inch draft, so you can get into your super shallow areas, but then good high gunnels and a good deeper V to help you with your chop offshore. Approaching the helm seat, very comfortable helm seat, adjustable Limar steering wheel, so you can have different positions sitting up on the bolster. Gives you even more height, and then very comfortable driving even when your bolster's down. Great visibility. Also nice having the full glass windshield to cut down that wind on you or if you get in some nasty elements. On the dash, we have the acrylic dash with the flush Garmin. This is the 8610 on here, GPS chart plotter, fish finding capabilities, everything. We also added the Mercury Vessel View as a nice redundant with the engine data and fuel flow, everything on there. And then electric Lenco trim tabs, a automatic start-stop system with the digital throttle and shift, and then some nice push button with LED lights for all your accessory switches. Also have the Fusion Bluetooth stereo. We upgraded the JL audio speakers on this boat, so some great sound system. But again, great shade on board, really comfortable area in here, grabbing on the handhelds, and then even sitting on the wider gunnels creates a great space for you and your guests. In the center console, have a good space in here. You could add a porta potty head, but easy access to your batteries back here, switches. Good place to throw a lot of storage down in there and lock off. Added fender pros is another nice option we added on here, so you can keep your fenders separate from your dock line cleats. And then as we get to the bow, this is where this boat really shines in the 21-foot market. Huge bench seat with deep storage underneath. If you want to check this out. So you can use this as a a fish box, cooler, or dry storage. Fit 2 people very comfortably on there, and then have 2 more with the backrest that are removable up on the bow, and a anchor locker with trolling motor plug already built in, so this boat can be ready to go for fishing or just a great entertaining boat for out on the water. Got the cup holders. These are the rod cup holder combos. So a lot of great accessories on this boat to enjoy your time out in the water. So if you'd like to see this boat or any others, please give me a call, Chris Honig at 910-256-8100. And again, this is our quick overlook of the 2025 Scout 215 XSF. Boat also comes with a trailer, so would love to get you out on the water today and ready to go for one of our favorite parts of the season. Thanks.